So we can capture customers' emails using WIX. And let's go here over to the left side, press add. And then when you go to contact form, you're going to look for the subscribe section. And we're just going to add this little simple one over here. So this is the get subscribers form. I'm going to place it in the center here with this one. And so with this, when we go to form settings, when you click submit message, you can actually link this to an external URL. So I'm going to link this to a Dropbox link of a product that I have. Paste the code in there, click done. And if somebody wants to get access to this sample pack here, they can just type their email in and then they'll receive a link for the download. So let's test that. I'm going to press publish. And so when I send my email, I get access to the product here. So this is a nice, simple, easy way to acquire customers' email addresses using the contact form. So this is called WIX Ascend. Now, you have a limit of being able to add 2 subscriber forms to your website. If you want to add more, you need to upgrade. So let me just demonstrate. I'm going to press Command-C, Command-V to paste again. And it's going to tell me that I've reached the limit of forms that I can add to my website. So if I want to upgrade, this is the pricing plan for WIX Ascend. It's an additional fee on top of your existing WIX fees. But it's a wonderful tool. I recommend trying it out on 1 or 2 products to see if you can generate some leads to get some new subscribers.